Ice steals cooler space, melts into everything, and still leaves one drink mysteriously warm. Everfrost 2 cools from its own battery, so the entire box stays usable, dry, and temperature controlled. Muddy bikes, shoes, and dog paws always appear far from a hose. The OC4 carries its own water and battery, giving you a gentle, portable rinse before the mess reaches the car or house. Pool cleaning usually means nets, brushes, and a long afternoon in the sun. This cordless robot handles the surface, floor, walls, and waterline, leaving you more time to actually enjoy the pool. A full bin is often mostly trapped air and bad timing. Titan's built-in handle compresses the waste without touching it, fitting far more into the same footprint and reducing constant bag changes. Most suitcase handles steal a surprising amount of packing space. Roller Pro uses a thin carbon fiber trolley system and a drawbridge-style opening, giving you more room without spreading the entire case across the floor. Going away shouldn't mean returning to crispy plants. AquaBloom pumps water from a simple container and uses solar power to follow a schedule, with no outdoor tap or wall socket required. Regular floss is awkward around back teeth and easy to skip when you're tired. Flouse adds sonic movement to a Y-shaped floss head, helping the strand pass through tight spaces with less wrestling. Portable pizza ovens are usually portable in the same way a suitcase full of bricks is portable. Gosney Tread cuts the weight and adds travel-ready mounting options, so high-heat cooking can leave the patio. Floor messes rarely stay on the floor. The E28 handles daily vacuuming and mopping. Then, its dock releases a portable deep cleaner for stairs, rugs, and sofa spills. Blenders make frozen drinks loud, watery, and full of crushed ice. The slushie chills the liquid inside its own tank, giving you smooth slushies without stopping to blend another batch. A flat tire is bad. A dead battery at the same time feels personal. The AX65 combines a jump starter, air compressor, and flashlight, so one box handles two common roadside disasters. Food scraps turn a clean kitchen into a smelly one surprisingly fast. Lomi 3 dries and grinds them into a much smaller, soil-like output, leaving less wet waste sitting in the bin. Desk lamps often light your face, reflect off the screen, or steal half the desk. This bar directs light onto the workspace and adds soft backlighting, making late sessions easier on the eyes. Night feeds are hard enough without guessing temperatures beside the sink. Ember keeps milk cool until needed, then warms it from the bottle itself, cutting down the half-awake kitchen routine. Mopping usually begins with vacuuming and ends with dirty water being pushed around. Wash G1 lifts spills and dry debris together while keeping clean water separate from the mess it collects. Your wireless headphones become useless the moment an airplane screen shows a headphone jack. AirFly Pro 2 bridges that gap and can connect two pairs, so shared movies stay wireless too. Smoking food normally demands a yard, decent weather, and hours of checking outside. This countertop smoker filters the smoke before releasing warm air, bringing real wood pellet flavor into the kitchen. A tiny leak can become a huge repair bill while nobody is home. This controller fits over an existing water valve and can close it automatically when a connected leak sensor detects trouble. Meal prep gets old somewhere around the third onion. The Paradise 16 dices, slices, chops, and kneads with dedicated attachments, turning repetitive knife work into a quick drop-and-press job. Hot patios usually leave you choosing between a weak fan and a dripping spray bottle. HydroGo carries its own water tank, adding a fine mist to cordless airflow wherever the heat follows you. Scooping litter is one chore nobody learns to enjoy. Litter Robot 5 Pro sifts waste after each visit, seals it below, and can identify individual cats, making a multi-cat home far easier to monitor. Reading notes on a call makes your eyes wander everywhere except the camera. Elgato Prompter places scripts, chat, or meeting windows directly in your sightline, so prepared speech still feels natural. Working from the sofa sounds comfortable until your neck disagrees. Casa opens like a book into a laptop stand, keyboard, and touchpad, then folds away when the room needs to feel like home again. Home coffee often tastes fine, but looks like the foam gave up halfway. Barista Maker creates smoother microfoam for dairy or plant milk, making latte art possible without learning a steam wand. Mowing steals the same afternoon again and again. Navimo X3 maps the yard without boundary wires, works around obstacles, and returns to charge by itself, turning lawn care into something you mostly watch. Laundry becomes annoying the moment a wet load has to be moved. Samsung's all-in-one combo washes and dries in the same drum, so you can return to clothes that are ready to fold.